today's Materials and Minutes discussion, we look at ownership of the building materials industry. In South Africa, the building materials industry is driven by specification, and by association that implies that the professionals in this space are largely responsible for the materials that are used on a construction site and how they are to be applied. However, we've also noticed that certainly in the public space, materials often get inherited from previous projects, and some projects dating back as far as 30 years. This provides a challenge for the newer, higher performing building materials to showcase their performance benefits on a construction site. Another trend that we have noticed is that in the tertiary space, students are limiting the scope of building materials on their projects. This is largely due to one of two reasons. Firstly, a limited capacity or understanding of the materials, and also the all too easy copy and paste scenario of using similar materials on different projects. Another trend that has become largely apparent is that in the manufacturing space, the focus still remains very much on the product that is being made rather than in the solution that that product is going to be used for. And so to wrap up, these three trends would be a challenge to industry. Firstly, from a material perspective, the material that is being specified needs to be understood for its performance benefits rather than simply because it is a material that is commonplace in the industry. And secondly, from a manufacturing perspective, to ensure that the end result or the solution of where the product is ultimately going to be used has been identified at the early stage, and the product's manufacturing, its pricing, and its availability meet these requirements.